Okay, good morning, viewers. You're welcome to today's class. Today, we want to provide solution to this question here. We are asked to find the value of x. So what I'm going to do is to reproduce the diagram. Okay, if I reproduce the diagram, I'm going to join this part. These parts, I'll try to join it so that it's going to form a complete line like this. Okay, so now this is meeting at this point. Okay, so an angle is produced here, likewise an angle is produced here, and also an angle is produced at this point. Are we seeing it now? So now if I take it 1 1, let me call this place M. So if I take it 1 1, taking it separately, what it implies is that if I consider this triangle taken separately, triangle AMD, okay, we're going to notice that angle A plus angle M plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. So what's the reason behind it? The reason is the sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, that would be the reason. So if I decide to impute each values, this is 70 degree, this place is unknown, let me call it Y, this is Y, and this is 30 degree is equals to 180. So 70 plus 30 will give us 100. Okay, so if this is 100 degree and I decide to Y plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree, so our Y is 180 minus 100 degree, that's what? 80 degree. So what it implies is that the angle at this point is 80 degree. That's the angle at the point there. So by doing that now, since I know the angle at that point now, I can also calculate the angle here. Let me call the angle here, let's call it K. Okay, so we can see that Y plus K is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is angle on a straight line. That's the reason behind that. Okay, now if I put that carefully now, this is 80 degree plus K is equals to 180. Our K is 180 degree minus 80 degree. That will give us 100 degree. So the angle at this point is 100 degrees. So now, since I know this place and I know here, I don't know this place. Let me call this place P. So by automatically looking at it now, we will now notice that K, that's angle K plus what's it called? 20 degree plus P degree will be equals to 180. That's the reason, the sum of angle in a what? In a triangle. So this angle here is already 100 degree plus 20 degree plus P degree is equals to 180. So if you add this is 120. So we have 120 degree plus P degree is equals to 180. So our P is 180 degree minus 120 degree, and that will give us what? 60 degree. So if my P here is 60 degree, I can now conclude, therefore, we can now say that x plus p is equals to 180 degree. That's angle on a straight line. So my x plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. So our x is 180 degree minus 60 degree. Our x is 120 degree, which is the correct answer to what? To the question. So the value of x here is 120 degree. Thank you so much for watching our videos.